Congratulations on your recent Küat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your piston ion from Küat. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. To provide stability during assembly process, insert the ion center beam assembly into your vehicle's hitch receiver. Align the hitch pin holes. Insert the hitch pin through the holes in the hitch receiver and the ion shank, and secure with hitch pin lock. Fully tighten the flat lock cam system into the hitch receiver by turning the cam system knob clockwise. Slide the foot lever into position on the center beam assembly. Using the provided 5mm hex key, install using one M6 by 16 bolt and M6 washer. Locate the inner tray with the ion and Küat logos. Set the inner tray over the two bolt hole locations on the inner tray seat on the center beam. To assemble the trays for your ion, begin by sliding the tire cradles outward. This will provide access to the two mounting locations on each tray. Using the provided M6 hex key, install two M10 by 50 tray bolts through two tray bolt spacers, inner ion tray, and into the center beam assembly. Torque M10 bolts to 40 Nm. Position the outer tray over the two bolt hole locations in the front of the center beam. Using the provided M6 hex key, install two M10 by 50 tray bolts through two tray bolt spacers, outer ion tray, and into the center beam assembly. Torque M10 bolts to 40 Nm. To open the arms on your ion, hold the arm levers down while simultaneously pulling each arm up and away from the tray. To close your ion tire arms, ratchet the arms back onto the bike tray. The ion foot pedal features a foot pedal lock. When lowering the ion into the hauling position, spin the knob clockwise to engage the foot pedal lock. Use the foot pedal to tilt the rack down from the stowed position to load and haul bikes. Use the foot pedal again to tilt further down to a 45-degree angle for hatch or trunk access. Hold ion lever and open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. Loosen wing knob on the bike ramp and expand tray to desired length. Retighten wing knob. To install the bike ramp, simply rest ramp hooks onto ion tire arm joints. The ion comes with a front wheel stabilizer and a rear tire strap kit to help secure bikes weighing over 70 pounds, bikes with fenders, bikes that have a wheelbase over 53 inches, or whenever using the ion with an RV or off-road. Load your bike by rolling the bike up the ramp and into the position on the tray. Close your ion tire arm. Slide the stabilizer under the front tire. Secure rear wheel with the rear tire strap by sliding one end of the rear tire strap up, around, and through the rear wheel. Feed the end of the rear tire strap through the ratchet head. Ensure rear tire strap is tight against the wheel and the ratchet is fully engaged. Push tabs inward and slide FastFit wheel chocks up or down the tire arm to adjust for measured wheel size. Visually ensure tabs are fully secured in notches. Misaligned tabs or tabs not fully secured will show a red warning indicator. It is recommended to position the FastFit wheel chock as high on the tire as possible. Extra tire straps are included for added stability for bikes with fenders. Simply wrap around the tire, wheel chock, through the buckle, and strap back on itself. Hold ion lever and open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. Place bike ramp hooks onto the tire arm joints. Undo the rear tire strap kit. With the front tires still secure in the front wheel stabilizer, the bicycle will continue to be stable in the tray. Use one hand to grip the bicycle. Use your free hand to hold the ion tire arm lever open. Push the bike forward to free the tire from the front stabilizer. Roll the bicycle down the ramp. Thread cable through rear wheel, frame, and front wheel when possible. Insert the cable lock key into the lock port located on ion center beam and twist the lock open. Then thread the cable through the cable end loop. Secure cable tip into lock port. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by calling 877-822-5828 or by visiting Küat.com and clicking on the Contact Us button under the Support tab. And be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.